of that panel. Okay, so this is not working. You need to check with voltage. Wait, huh? Stop it. Drink water. Drink water. You will not get crazy.
So now this one is not working.
Yes. So there's a problem with the supply. You need to check the supply. You remove it.
Off it. This is the supply.
The supply is here, right?
Yes.
You check the fuse. Fuse is okay, right? So this is the supply. Let's trace it. What happened? Hold it. Supply. Okay. This one. Okay. This one, huh?
Okay, that one not problem.
What is this small one? See the small one? This is the one.
So you need to change it.
Need to change it. Look for any panel that has like this. See, small one. So
What's the number?
capacitor.
That's not capacitor.
Let me check, huh? Let me check here. Let me double check.